Good readings, everyone. So we are going to do a quick reading. You don't need to see me. You need to see the cards. All right. All right. I just want to show you what gemstones you need during this Mercury retrograde. I don't think we're going to take all those. Those just seem to have popped out. But if it's meant for them to come out, they will come back out. So if you're feeling like you're having some communication issues or any other issues during this Mercury retrograde, let's see what gemstones you need. Oh, that one seems to want to come out too. It's ruby. Amethyst. Okay. I don't have my bracelet on right now. But amethyst is purple. Okay. And she says, revealing your true self. As you allow others to know the real you, you'll feel loved for who you truly are. So you may need to get you some amethyst. Okay. Titanium rainbow quartz. Multifaceted. There are many layers and dimensions to the situation or person you're asking about. Okay, so that answers that. If you had a question about a specific person, and whether it's yourself or someone outside of yourself. And ruby. Bless your heart. Reach out for emotional and spiritual support to heal and mend your heart. Okay, I just wanted to do that really quickly. I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later.